Hi everyone. So today we'll learn how you can use Tailwind CSS in your HTML project in VS Code. As you can see, currently I'm on Tailwind website, and before we start using it in a HTML project, we have to install Node.js first. So if you haven't installed it, you must install it first. I have already created a video for this. Link of that video will be in the description, so please do check it out. So after installing the Node.js, you can come to Tailwind website. And here you need to click on Get Started. So once you click on it, you will find this section, and here you need to go to Tailwind CLI. Click here. So you can see they have given the steps here. The first thing that we have to do is to install Tailwind with the CLI. So simply copy it by clicking here. Next, you need an empty folder like I have right now. You can open this folder in VS Code. There are multiple ways, but I'll go with the easiest way. Simply right click on Open with Code. Now once you have done that, you need to go to View and click on Terminal. Now here, just paste the command that we copied and press the Enter key. So installation is done. Let's go to Tailwind website. The next step here is to create a source folder, and inside that folder we need input.css, and we need to put this thing in that file. Simply copy it, create a folder here, src. Inside this folder we need input.css. Now paste what we just copied, save it. Also we need index.html there, so simply just copy this piece of code, create index.html here and paste it. Save the file. Now you need to run this command. Simply copy it and paste it here. Press the Enter key. Now what this command will do, it will monitor input.css file for the changes. So as soon as you make some changes in the input.css file, it will track those changes and spit out output.css. And that is the file we are referencing in index.html. Now let's open this file in the browser to see what we got here. You can use a live server to open an HTML file, and that's the output. Now let's try to style this a bit. Make it 6XL. Font will remain bold. Text should be center. And background color will be green. Let's make it 300. So here I'm using Tailwind CSS classes. So if they will work, that means we got our project up and running. So you can see the Tailwind CSS classes are applied, and that's the output. So I hope you understood how to use Tailwind CSS in your HTML project with VS Code. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.